Answer. Simple interest on a certain amount is 9 upon 16 of the principal. If the numbers representing the rate of interest, that is in percent, and time, that is in years, be equal, then the time for which the principal is lent out is, means basically you have to find the time. Now what is simple interest? PNR upon 100. What is P? Principal. N is period in years, and R is rate of interest in percent, right, upon 100. But what is given? Simple interest is given as 9 upon 16 of P. Okay. And what is given? The period and the rate are same. So N equals to R. So we'll write it as N. Instead of writing R, we'll write it as N. So write this equation again. 9 upon 16 into P equals to P into N upon 100. Right? PP gets cancelled. Therefore N square upon 100 equals to 9 by 16. Therefore N equals to square root of this 100 goes on this side, and this is square, so it becomes square root. It comes on this side. So N equals to square root of 9 by 16 into 100. So 3 by 4 into 100. 3 by 4 is 0.75. 0.75 into 10, that is 7.5 years. Right? So this is the answer, 7.5 years. If you are asked the rate of interest also, then also it is 7.5%. Okay. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get its videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30, cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for those. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis, and you will learn them within 3 months. Those are useful for you throughout your life for all the competitive exams. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.